Mari tirar nere pakai keluar ke?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
वालेकुम
Waalaikumsalam.
सलाम
बस तاسو چپ شيخه ډاکټر صاحب راو چې دې خبرې کوي چې ډیسټربنس ناراضي
خاجي
Sedih.
خا صحیح شو مهرباني
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Assalamu alaikum,
गुड
sir.
मॉर्निंग सर
Walaikum
अस्सलाम
assalam
वालेकुम
and assalamu alaikum from my side as well. First of
Walaikum
all,
salam.
I would
Salam.
like to introduce myself. So all of you are requested to mute your mics first.
Okay, sir.
We have 19 participants. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I am Dr. Muhammad Adil and I'll teach you introduction to biotechnology. We will talk about biotechnology in this lecture. And before going into the detail, I would like to tell you about the course outlines you might have read. But let me tell you, the first topic is introduction to biotechnology, second cellular biology review. Then we will read basic skills of biotechnology, then DNA, proteins, genetic engineering, bringing biotech products to market, plant biotechnology, plant cloning, biotechnology, and medicines. These are our topics, and you have lab outline as well, which we will talk about later. But before going into the detail, I would like you to please introduce me yourself one by one. Then we will start our lecture.
Yes, sir. My name is Sayyid Shah Mansoor from Aswab Baba, Peshawar.
Sayyid
Shah Mansoor from Aswab Baba, Peshawar.
from Azhab Baba Peshawar. Okay, what is your research?
My
What
research
was
was about allelopathy.
allelopathy and master? You have done research.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have done my research and BS level.
It's okay. That's great. Next, please.
Sir, my name is Fozia from Buner.
My name is Atika Bari and I'm from.
Fozia is talking, please. Okay, after that I will name and then you will introduce yourself. Likewise. Okay, Fozia, please keep
sir,
continue.
Sir, I have completed my MSc from Women University Sawabi, and I'm gold medalist of our university.
That's great.
And I belong to Buner.
Okay, and what was your research topic in masters or BS?
Salinity is stress on pea plant.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. Okay, next, please.
Sir.
Fozia Bibi,
Ji, sir.
you introduced yourself. That's great. Atika, I think she was there.
Yes, sir. My name is Atika Bari.
Okay.
I'm from Chitral and I have done my master's in botany from University of Peshawar.
Okay, University of Peshawar. And you have done research?
No, sir. I've done special paper.
Okay, so you will have to read it thoroughly. And have you read research methodology? Is there any course of research methodology in your first semester?
Sir, it's the first semester of MPhil botany. Na? I haven't read yet
I
research
think
methodology.
I think Dr. Fida Saab is teaching you research methodology. So never ever miss a single class of that subject, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, that's great. Fazal Basit Deer Lower. Please introduce yourself. Fazal? Fazal, can you hear us?
Sir, I'm from Lucky Marwat, sir. MSc Botany from Islamia College, Peshawar.
Your
And
name, please,
now
again.
lecturer in Golden
Your name,
College, Lucky
please.
Marwat.
What is your name? What is your
Muhammad
name?
Fazal Dayan, sir.
Okay. You have written Deer Lower here. Okay, introduce yourself. Go ahead, please.
I am Rehna Sajid from Karak.
From Karak. From where you have done BS or Masters?
I have master from Guwahati University, and my subject is special paper.
Yes, subject was special paper. For all
Yes.
those who can hear me this time and who have not done research in BS or Masters, you are all, here directed, I would say this word, though it's a bit strict, but you are all of you are directed to attend all the classes of research methodology quite vigilantly, and don't ever miss any of the class of that subject, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next, please. Fazal, I want to
Sir,
hear you again,
my
please.
name is Irfan
One
Haider.
minute, please. I want to ask Fazal again to introduce himself because we couldn't hear him clearly.
Sir, Muhammad Fazal Dayan from Lucky Marwat.
That's great.
And
Your
MSc
lecture. Have you done your research?
Yes, sir. Ethnobotany.
Okay, that's great.
Okay.
Now next, please.
Now lecturer in Government Postgraduate College.
That's great. That's really great. Okay, next, please.
Yes, sir.
My name is
Irfan
Jawad Akbar.
Haider. My name is Irfan Haider.
Sir, my name is Jawad Akbar from Karak. I have done my BS botany from GPGC Quad.
Okay, that's great. And have you done research?
Yes, sir.
On which specific
Research on with
topic?
research on genotype of wheat, yielding type.
So were there facility in your colleges, like was the lab established or you have worked
Yes.
somewhere else?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Next, please.
My name is Irfan Haider, sir. I have completed my BS botany from University of Peshawar recently. And I have done research on floristic composition of Parachinar Valley. I am from Parachinar.
That's great. Okay, thank you. Next, please.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. This is Mahanur Hakim, and I have done my BS from Islamia University, and my research was on allopathy.
Allelopathy. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's great. Next, please.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Muhammad Shawal from Dargah Malakand Agency, and I just completed my BS Botany from University of Malakand, and I done my research on the ethnobotanical study of some indigenous plant of Tehsil Dargah Malakand.
That's great. Thank you. Next, please.
You're welcome.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. This is Waqt Bilanda. I have done my MSc Biology from Government University, Dera Ismail Khan. I have not done any research. I done an experimental work.
Okay, that's experimental work. Which kind of experimental work have you done?
Sir, experiments in microbiology and immunology and biotechnology.
No, if you have done these experiments, then why we can't call them, research?
सर रिसर्च नहीं था उसमें, मैंने उनसे कहा था कि मैं रिसर्च करना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा था कि इस डिपार्टमेंट में जो है रिसर्च नहीं है, यहाँ पर सिर्फ हम एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करते हैं, बस सिर्फ जस्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए थे और रिसर्च तो नहीं किया था, थीसिस वगैरह भी नहीं लिखे थे, just MSc degree है हमारी.
So it means you don't have any written documents of that work which you have done
No,
as a
no.
research.
No,
Because there are two aspects. I am asking because there are two aspects. One is carrying out activities. One minute. Let me. If you are not talking, all of you, if anybody here, if you are not talking, you should mute your speakers or mics, right? That's great.
Yes, sir.
So there are two aspects, right? The first thing is carrying out activity, and this needs your skills. You will have to learn different types of techniques and doing things and doing experiments and carrying out experiments. And the second thing is writing them. It is also a skill, and you must know it. And there are technicalities like carrying out activity. If there is technicality and carrying out activity, likewise, writing them is also a technique, right? So you must know about the skills. That's why so you are also directed to attend all the classes of research methodology, right?
Inshallah, sir.
Okay. Next, please.
My name is Shai Jamil. I have done BS from Islamia College University, Peshawar, and my research work was about salt salinity, salt stress on Helianthus venus plants.
Okay, that's great. Next, please.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Sir, Rais Khan from Timangara Lower. I did MSc from University of Malakand, and I have did research on medicinal plant.
On which medicinal plants, Rais Khan? Or there are variety or numbers of many medicinal plants? Rais, can you hear me? Are you there, Rais?
Hello.
Rais, are you there? Okay, next, please.
Hello, sir. I am Farid from Lower Dir.
Okay, Farid Khan, go ahead.
My MSc from SBBU Sheringal, Dirafat. And my research topic is Berberis lysum.
Okay, you have worked on Berberis lysum.
Okay.
Okay, that's great.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
I am Fazal Basid and I did MSc from postgraduate Jahanzeb College, and I have taken optional favor of parasitology.
Okay. So you don't have any idea about the research?
No, sir, I have experience, but I have not taken itself.
It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay. So you are also directed to, take classes vigilantly. Okay, Fazal?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Next, please. Next.
Sir, my name is Nayab Rahman.
Okay.
I have done my MSc Botany from this Kotaba University, Peshawar department.
Okay, that's great.
Sir, my research topic was medicinal plant.
Okay. Medicinal plants mean which kind of activities have you done?
Yes, sir. The medicinal plants which you included my research topic was ginger, garlic, pomegranate, date.
Okay. Okay.
Acacia fistula.
Which specific activities have you done over these plants?
Sir, I have collected the leaves of these plants and dried them in the sun. When they become dry, I form the powder of these leaves.
After
And
ground?
did,
Okay, no, which specific activities, Nayab?
sir, I done the elemental and chemical composition of it. Which
Okay.
chemical elements are present in these plants?
Okay. Thank you. Next, please. Next. Okay, now let's start. Let's start the class. We will, I'll ask you in next lectures, those who left and who could not introduce themselves. I'll give you a chance. We will talk in next class, inshallah. Now we are going to start the lecture. Whenever I will ask you to give me answers of a questions. So first raise your hand and then I would take you. Okay, this you can see on your screen, Introduction to Biotechnology. All of you can see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, we will talk about technology, that what actually technology is, and before going toward technology, what actually introduction is, because introduction is the first ever chapter of your research. So you must also know about introduction. Introduction means that you are introducing the things which is specified, which you intend to know about. Anything which you intend to know about and you want to describe that thing, it becomes introduction. So we want to know about the technology, and which kind of technology? Biotechnology. So therefore it is introduction of biotechnology, right? Now I would ask you, what do you mean by technology? What technology actually is?
Yes, sir.
It
It
is
is
the
the branch.
application of it is,
Okay, go.
which is used for the welfare of human beings.
No, commonly biotechnology, that's really great for human. What technology? What does technology mean?
Yes, sir. The equipments which are used in biological sciences and the techniques.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
those processes which are used for practical purposes is called technology.
Okay, that's great.
Yes, sir. Those
technology.
techniques are used for the improvement of welfare is called technology.
That's great. Okay, now let me clear it.
It is the application.
Yes, go ahead.
It is the application or equipment which is used for the welfare of human beings.
That's great. It's okay.
Okay, sir, thanks.
Now let's talk about biotechnology. Biotechnology are simply a technology. It is a prescribed procedure which we used to make things, to engineer things according to or on well or which are required. Technology is that prescribed procedure in which we engineered desired things. It is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Every that procedure, scientific procedure, every scientific, by scientific we mean that there is a designed plane. Scientific mean we use scientific study of this thing is called that thing. So what does this scientific mean? Scientific mean that there is a approved design. Every approved design is called approved, mean that it has been approved by scholars, by intellectuals. So if there is any approved procedure which will work for engineering something which is required, which is not available, but which is required, which is not naturally available. which is naturally available, but not in a proper amount, which is required, not in an amount which is required. Like we engineered insulin, which is used by diabetic patients. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
insulin is
Yes, sir.
prepared inside our body. Our body used to engineer this insulin, but what happened in diabetic patients, it becomes scarce, and it
Yes,
is
sir.
not available in a proper amount. So what we do, we artificially engineered, we artificially
Okay.
prepared insulin, and then we inject into the diabetic patients, and what happens, they become normal, right?
Yes.
So if
Yes, sir.
there
Yes.
is anything which is either not
Yes, sir.
available naturally or which is not available in appropriate or required amount, in we want to prepare that
सर
thing.
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आपको आवाज नहीं आ रही? Am I audible now? What about the others? Can you all hear me?
Sorry.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Who
सर
asked
आवाज
about?
नहीं आ रही.
Who are you? Your name, please. Can you tell me your name? Please change your location. Change your location. I think you might be having some signal problems, so you should change your
आवाज
location.
नहीं आ रही सर.
Rest of the participant can hear my voice. You please change
Yes,
your
sir.
location.
Yes, sir.
We are hearing.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Carry on, sir.
Okay. Those who cannot hear, please change your location and mute your
Yes, sir.
mics. Right. So we want to
Yes.
get things which is either not available and which is either not in a proper amount which is required. So for that purpose, we do things, we follow a prescribed procedure, and that is called technology. Here, we are talking about the biotechnology, right? So what
Yes.
is biotechnology? It is actually the controlled use of biological agents or cellular components for the engineering of required things, of required agents, of required chemicals, anything which is required to us, and we obtain that thing by using biological agents or cellular components or microorganisms. So that would be called as biotechnology. Is this clear now?
Technology.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now we will talk about the biotechnology, and I want to ask you, there are things. The first one is what is the difference between invention and discovery? Then I'll go. It's actually linked to what I want to say. That's why I'm asking you, what is the difference between discovery and invention? Who will tell?
Yes, sir.
Sir, the discovery is that which is present from ago, but anybody does not know, and he will discover and research, then it is known as discovery.
That's great. Really, that's great. Okay.
Discovery is that
Invention.
discovery is
Invention
that
or
which
the things.
Okay. Inventions are what?
Invention are those things which are not present before that.
Okay, and we invent that. So the very first
Yes.
introduction of anything in this universe is called invention. You mean to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now let me tell you. We will discuss things like this, right? So I will be aware that you are not sleeping and you are with me. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me tell you about discovery and invention, and then I'll tell you that why I pointed out these two things. Invention is that something is not present before. We exist and there is no existence of that thing before the introduction, and we introduce, we make that thing. Like aeroplane was not present before the invention, before it was engineered. Before engineering this aeroplane, cell phone, computers, these things were not present, and we engineered them, and now they are present, right? So this is invention. And discoveries mean that there are things which are clandestine, You know clandestine?
No, sir.
Clandestine means
Yes,
that
sir,
there are
already.
things which
No,
are
sir.
okay. Let me tell you that there are things which are present under the wheel, behind the wheel. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Behind the wheel mean that things are present, but it is not clear to us. It has not
Yes,
been
sir.
it has not been exposed to us, and we are not
Yes, sir.
familiar with that thing. And a person, a
Yes.
scholar, a researcher, a scientist, an author, he came and he told us about that very specific and particular thing, that this was the thing which none of you were aware of it, and now you can see this thing, and now you can have knowledge about it. So this is discovery.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's talk about biotechnology. Biotechnology, from the date of establishment of this universe, right? This universe came into being, according to science, from since 4.6 billion years ago. Keep remember this figure, 4.6 billion years ago, this universe came into being, according to scientists. We know about its commencement of this universe and life, and why are we here, and why we are born, and where will we go after the death. But this is religious point of view. But scientific point of view, scientists said that this is 4.6 billion years old, this universe, right? And how this came into being, anybody who know how this universe came into being according to science?
Big Bang Theory, sir.
Big Bang Theory, sir.
That's great, really. Big Bang Theory said that this university was actually a round ball, right? And then it exploded and this universe came into being. So what is the critical or challenging factor through which we can convince a layman that yes, it was really a round ball and then it exploded? How can we say it?
Temperature rises due to temperature rises.
No, right. That would either someone will hammer, if there is a person that he's having hammer in his hand and just he hit the round ball and it exploded, and or either it broke up and then universe came into being. So there was nothing like, there is no space for such thing that someone came and hammer. So obviously there was internal heat and then it exploded. It is very good, right? It was due to heat that it exploded. But what is the factor? Why would someone accept that it was a round ball and then this universe came into being after explosion? Why would someone accept it?
Sir, basically, we studied about science, but this is a imaginations. We are conceptually spiritual. हम इस्लाम पे डिपेंड करते हैं ना कि इस्लाम हमें क्या कहता है. हम साइंस को तो स्टडी करते हैं, बट हम मानते नहीं हैं. So that's the reason, due to temperature rises, there was blasting occur due to internal temperature. So universe became.
Okay, that's great. You said that actually